Hello, hello. What are today's messages? If you think back to a time when someone betrayed you, there was a moment when your body knew the truth. You knew they were lying. You knew something was off. Our body is always trying to guide us. We've just learned to not listen. When you want to comment negatively on someone's body or physical appearance, don't. It's an easy hack to become more emotionally mature. Be a weed. A weed is a plant that has mastered every survival skill except for learning how to grow in rows. My idea of success is feeling safe in my home, comfortable in my skin, and present enough to enjoy the little things in life. A secret to happiness is to celebrate how hot and hilarious you are instead of comparing yourself to other people. Let's pick some cards today. Number 56, receive love from the other side. Loved ones who've passed on are eager to connect with you through synchronicities, dreams, music, and nature. You may also feel their spirit as an energy shift, physical sensation, or wave of strong emotion. Certain loved ones now act as spiritual guardians, sending you wisdom and blessings. Love never dies. Do you agree? Untangling neglect. Have you ever been neglected? I think we all have in some way, shape, or form. I take the time to give myself all the approval I desire. You are special, the most special you this world is ever going to see. Follow your bliss, walk your own path, and let your special talent shine bright for everyone to see. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.